We're going to plant up these gorgeous containers. Now, these were the same containers that we use for our spring display, and I'm fine with keeping them on display here. Just going to clean them off a little bit more. The moment when you think that it's going to be a beautiful day and you can come outside, plant some quick containers, is already starting to rain. So I think we're going to grab our containers and we'll take this show inside. Honey, you can't do nothing nowadays with Mother Nature, honey. She got a show of her own. Child, let me get my pocketbook and tote, honey, and go on about my business. The rain has calmed down. I got absolutely 100% soaked. Let's go ahead and get the pots and the plants on the table. We placed the first container in its place. I want to clean off the table. Now, when I say clean, I'm not talking about just going in and putting a little bit of Windex. If you guys have wicker furniture sets, it is very important that you go in and you pull back. Matter of fact, let me just show you what we need to do because I want to get the container in its place. So let's clean this table. Let's deep clean this table. Should be absolutely 100% ashamed of myself. Hey, honey, I am one that I like to keep it real. And my patio is slipping when it comes to the Department of Weeds. It's no point in putting all of these beautiful containers on the patio and then just putting some lipstick on top of it, you know, just basically putting the furniture on top of the weeds. So we are going to have to go in and do some back-breaking work because I want to do that before I put my plants in its place. I want to start out by just working, pulling the weeds up over here in this section. The other section is fine, but this section over here needs some work. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. And remember, don't get cute in them comments now. I totally feel like I'm on borrowed time, but I am determined to get my patio done. Now in my garden, I have garden rooms. I like to make my garden spaces very intimate. I never want to stand in one place in my garden and be able to see every single thing that's going on. Now, for some people it works, and I've seen some beautiful designs like that. But for me, you guys got to remember, everybody has their own garden style. So for me, I like those intimate spaces. And for each of my garden rooms, I always go in and I put some type of seating in that area. And what that does is it makes the area more personable. Planted up these containers. Now that we have the weed up, we have our containers that's going on top of the tables. We have those in place. What we're going to do now is we're going to get these containers or baskets, if you will, off the table. We're going to get them in their place where they're going to be for this season. So let's go ahead and do that. Talk about the plants that we use in these containers. Drop down in the comment box and let me know what you think about the containers and how we planted everything up. So it looks like we're getting caught by the rain again, so we're going to go ahead and call it quits.